How to identify unresolved items linked to jobs. Some job elements require specific user actions, either from a team member or a client, and some don't. You can always find out if there are any unfinished elements in the Kanban view or on the job card to make sure that tasks are completed in time and there are no delays. You can identify unfinished elements by checking the counter on the right side of the job card. If a counter is not displayed, it means there are no pending action items. The number on the counter reflects the number of pending elements, and the color of the counter is determined by the job's due date. If no due date is set for a job, the color is determined by the due date of the linked task. If it's gray, neither the job nor the linked task has a due date. If it's red, it means the job is overdue. If it's orange, it has a deadline of 3 days or less. Finally, if it's green, the deadline is not too close. If a checkmark is displayed, it means all job elements in this stage have been completed. This checkmark only appears when the Automove Jobs toggle is turned off, or if it's the last stage of the pipeline. All pending tasks that affect the job's status and automatic movement to the next stage are clearly visible on the job card. If Automove is enabled for the current stage, you'll see all pending elements required to move the job to the next stage automatically. If there are no pending elements and Automove is on, a message will notify you that at least one trigger is needed for it to function. If a job is in a custom job status, you will see all pending action items that need to be completed to change the job status to active. Click the 3 dots next to any item to unlink or delete it. This is how to identify unresolved items linked to jobs.